another level. I've been in my bag and I keep getting better. I'm getting richer, that ass getting thicker. My diamonds, they keep getting wetter. Fuck, I look like going back and forth with a little bitch that is not on my level. I do not give a fuck, tell a bitch try her luck, she'll get folded like a pretzel.
Hey y'all, welcome back to It's Jeremy's. So today I'm here because I've been doing a lot of soft locks lately, and it's really been bugging me that you have to make a gazillion parts for these twists to like not look thin. And I was like, what's something that I could do to make them look thicker? So today I'm going to be showing you my method on how I make my soft locks thicker and be able to make bigger parts. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them below. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, then you can go back and watch one of my old ones. One of my old videos. They're not really old, but it's just some that I made before this because y'all like when I do them, so I'm gonna keep doing it. But I'm gonna link them above and below in the info section of this video. So if you need more information on how to do these in depth, then you can go look at those. But if you just want to see how I make them thicker and already know the concept of how to do these soft locks or distress locks, then keep on watching.
To no good anyways. We about to play with his head. He don't know who he dealing with. Send me your text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gon' be at? We should pull up on him around 9. And when I see him, you know it's on side. He gon' pay for.
Okay, so this is the part where I started doing something new. Usually these soft locks have like a line of demarcation where you can tell where the wrapped hair stopped. So to make them thicker, like from root to tip, I'm just going to wrap the crochet lock all the way down. And it's really not that much extra work. You just have to wrap it loosely, and you don't have to put that many distressing pieces in it because the hair towards the bottom is already kind of distressed anyway. So you're just going to continue to wrap it. You can put a few under the thumb methods in, but you don't have to do a lot.
I just called you up to let you know your man been messing around. He been messing around. I guess he didn't know you were on it, cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning. Yeah. But I got a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life. All we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts. Girl, thanks for putting me up on game. I had a feeling he was up to no good anyways. We about to play with his head. He don't know who he dealing with. Send me your text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gon' be at? We should pull up on him around 9. And when I see him, you know it's on side. He gon' pay for wasting our time. Yeah. We cut you in a light, so we gon' fuck up your life. All we need is a little time. Boy, you don't know, we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we know about you, called you up to let you know your man been messing around. He been messing around. I guess he didn't know you were only, cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning. Yeah. But I got a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life. All we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts. Girl, thanks for putting me up on game. I had a feeling he was up to no good anyways. We bout to play with his head. He don't know who he dealing with. Send me your text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gon' be at? We should pull up on him around 9. And when I see him, you know it's on side. Yeah. He gon' pay for wasting our time. Yeah, yeah. We cut you in a lie, so we gon' fuck up your life. All we need is a little time. But you don't know, we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse. Oh, I just called you up to let you know your man been messing around. He been messing around. I guess he didn't know you were only, cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning. Yeah. But I got a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life. All we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts. Girl, thanks for putting me up on game. I had a feeling he was up to no good anyways. We bout to play with his head. He don't know who he dealing with. Send me your text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gon' be at? We should pull up on him around 9. And when I see him, you know it's on side. Yeah. He gon' pay for wasting our time. Yeah, yeah. We cut you in a lie, so we gon' fuck up your life. All we need is a little time, but you don't know.